I just went from $0 to $4,902 in the past 4 days with this brand new affiliate marketing campaign. In this video, I'm going to show you all my tips, secrets, tricks that I used with affiliate marketing to scale from $0 to over $4,000 in 4 days. And on top of all of this effort that I've put in the last 4 days is now going to generate me $2,709 every single month for the rest of my life, due to this being a passive income affiliate marketing tutorial. Guys, this is going to be one of the most value-packed videos that I've uploaded on my channel so far. The best part about this is it's worldwide. Anybody can do this anywhere in the world and take action with this. And I'm going to show you a couple of things that a lot of affiliate marketers won't tell you, that they actually hide from you. So this is going to be a no BS, full open video exposing and showing exactly what I'm doing to make this kind of money online with affiliate marketing. You don't want to miss this one. Let's waste no time and get straight into it. What's going on, fellow entrepreneurs? Jay here, your no BS South African online entrepreneur and coach, documenting my journey on my YouTube channel on how I make money online, ranging from affiliate marketing, drop servicing, drop shipping, soon to be trading as well, and all sorts of various ways to make money online. If you want to get a daily value pack video from me every single day, make sure to subscribe down below with the red notification bell on so that I can send you a message every time I upload an epic video just like this one. If you want to stand the chance to win $20 in this video, all you need to do is leave a like, comment down below that you've done so, and subscribe with the red notification bell on, and I will choose a lucky winner in tomorrow's video to win that $20. So make sure to go and do that all below, and let's get straight into this. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to hop onto the back end of this affiliate program that I've been promoting to show you proof of my earnings from the strategy that I'm using, just to show you that this is not some kind of screenshot, that I have actually earned this and that I have banked this into my bank account. So over here you can see my earnings estimate for the next 30 days and every 30 days thereafter is currently at $2,709 and an extra 70 euros a month. This is due to the fact that this affiliate tool that I'm promoting is a monthly membership based tool, and that's what I'm really going to highlight here, is that if you want to go about affiliate marketing and do it full time, focus on one product. Don't go and promote a product over here and then another product over there. You want to focus on one product because you want to give value in that specific product's niche to build an audience. Because now this doesn't mean Instagram or YouTube or anything like that. We're not going to be making content. This is going to be something that you haven't really seen before. But I suggest focus on one product that is a membership-based affiliate product that will pay you commissions every single month, because in order to get affiliate commissions every single month, you need that tool to be a monthly subscription plan like Builderall or Kartra, where you pay $29 a month and you get a commission every single month for referrals last year, today, and down the line. So just to show you my total earnings, this is a brand new affiliate account that I've created about a week ago. I started promoting it with the strategy that I'm going to show you about 5 days ago, and these are my results so far. I've got a total of 4,157 leads, over $4,900 so far total earnings, and pending review, I've got over $390 available that I earned today. Requested was $150 that I requested to withdraw from yesterday. Total payouts over $4,500. So just to refresh, to show you that this is all live stats, my live dashboard, and not some kind of screenshot or anything like that. Here you can see, just waiting for it to load. There you can see that this is successfully refreshed and indeed live earnings from this. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to come over to the tool that we are going to promote. Now, what I'm actually going to do is, and what I've been doing is, with the strategy, I've been using this tool to promote its affiliate program. So this is quite actually amazing, as this tool over here called Builderall.com is a digital marketing platform where you can build funnels, landing pages, email marketing campaigns, apps, social proofs, pop-ups, membership areas, you name it. It has the all-in-one business builder in a box for an aspiring entrepreneur like you and me to promote our products and services. Now, I've been using Builderall over here to promote Builderall itself with the affiliate program, but there's a secret little trick that I'm going to show you how you can actually get access to a $2,000 bonus package to promote to your audience or leads to get them into Builderall as a hook. But at the same time, it's a win-win because they're getting $2,000 worth of bonuses and funnels, and you're getting a sign up and a lead. So what we need to do is we need to go and scroll all the way down to the bottom of Builderall.com, click on Click on affiliate at the bottom over here. It will take you to the Builderall affiliates page. Scroll down and you'll see over here, if you eventually get close towards the bottom over here, how do I get started today as a Builderall affiliate? You want to go and click on the Builderall solo affiliate. But in this case, since we are going to use Builderall to promote Builderall, we need this tool. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do the same to you. I'm going to give you those $2,000 bonuses, but in return, I get your lead. So this is just a way for me to give you a boost. If you want to try this tool, you don't have to go and claim these bonuses. You can go directly over to builderall.com over here and sign up by yourself. But if you want those $2,000 bonuses from me, you can come over to the second link in the description. You'll see over here, if I scroll down to the bottom, instead of $1,288 in total value, you get all of this completely for free when you sign up to Builderall on their free trial. So you don't even need to purchase Builderall yet. You just need to join the free trial and you get all of these bonuses. But like I said, I'm not here to sell you anything. Like I'm showing you, it's actually free. So you're welcome to go over directly to builderall.com if you want to sign up there as well and not through my affiliate link. Once you're on Builderall, you're going to be popped up with all your tools over here that we can go and promote Builderall with. The first thing you need to do is click on the affiliates tab on the top right. It will open up your franchise system like this, where you can see all of your earnings. You can see your total estimation, all your earnings. I'm assuming yours will be at 0 if you haven't promoted Builderall yet. You need to click on Funnel Club over here, and you need to click on Builderall Premium Funnels over here and open this up in a new tab. Now over here, if you scroll down, you will see the page. Here, your first commission is the 5-day challenge. So this is an affiliate link and a page Builderall has created for you as an affiliate to give away bonuses to your leads to hook them into your affiliate program and ultimately for you to get commissions. So all you do is you see if you copy your affiliate link over here and you paste this in a new tab, it will take you to this page over here where you can go and claim those $2,000 bonuses and join Builderall at the same time. So now that we've got our affiliate link, we need to go and create a bridge page to this affiliate link. As obviously a lot of platforms ban direct affiliate links, so we will solve that by going to create a bridge page. So let's come over back to Builderall over here on our backend dashboard where you've signed up through the link below. You want to click on the Cheetah website builder over here. Just click on enter, click on create a new site, click from choose professional templates. And the page I like to use is this page over here, the theme 01 opt-in or squeeze page. If you click on preview just to show you what this looks like, over here you can see this is what this opt-in page looks like. So we obviously need to go and edit this according to our Builderall $2,000 giveaway with our affiliate link. So if you come back to the Cheetah website builder and you click on select this, click on save, it will automatically build your website for you and load it up in the Builderall page editor. Once this is loaded up, I'm going to edit this page for you and I'm going to meet you back here now. Just like this, I've changed this page to the following. $1,288 with the scratched out, meaning it's now for free in total value bonus. Start the challenge right now for free when you sign up to Builderall. Great offers delivered to your inbox. Get the only bonus that on Builderall that boosts your sales online. And then we've got a page over here. And then we've got an opt-in form over here where your lead needs to enter their name and email address in order to continue. So this over here is crucial. We want to collect our leads, emails, and names so that we can promote them with email marketing resources to get them to come back to our affiliate link. So this is how this works. Let's say you've got me as a lead, I land on your landing page, but I'm not interested in this bonus right now, but I'm not interested in Builderall right now. But I enter my name and email, continue to the next page to claim the bonus, and then they ask me to sign up, and then maybe I click off the page or forget to sign up, or whatever happens, your lead may leave the page. But down the line, you can re-promote them and remind them with emails to come back to your affiliate link. Now, in these emails, you can offer them coupons, more bonuses, more ways to hook them back to your affiliate link. This is why this really helps and increases your conversion rate by up to 300%. So what we're going to do is we're just going to click on this set link option over here on this form, and this is the form we need to set to our affiliate link. So click on set link, click on the subscribe confirm over here, copy your affiliate link over here, just click on copy, come back to your page editor over here and paste your URL and click on select and save. So now what this means is when you collect their name and email address, they will then be redirected to this page over here where they can go and claim their bonuses, which this page is connected to your affiliate link. So with this whole set up ready, we need to go and use my traffic source that I've been using to get a huge email list of about 14,000 people already and over $4,000 in revenue in the last 4 days in signups. And we are going to go and use the power of Google Ads. Now, before you go and click off, there's a very specific way we need to structure our Google ad in order to convert all of the strange traffic into sales. Why I say strange traffic is because when you're selling ads or creating ads, you're reaching an audience that doesn't know you or that has never seen you. So you need to gain their trust in order to get them to view and see what your product is about. So come over to ads.google.com, click on sign in or start now over here if you haven't signed up. I'm going to sign in with my account. Before we go and create a Google Ads campaign, make sure to keep watching because at the end of this, I'm going to give you a free Google Ads masterclass course. There's no charge, there's no upsell to some ridiculous $2,000 course. Don't worry, it's free value that I'm going to give you at the end of this to help you master your Google Ads if you're a complete newbie, just to help you out. So over here on the first page, when you create a new campaign, we want to go and select web traffic over here. You want to go and select search traffic over here. For your business's website, you want to go and publish your landing page that you've created on Builderall over here and copy the link to your landing page over here, and you want to go and paste this on your campaign over here. Click on continue, and just for a campaign name we can type in Builderall. Click on start new. We're going to start off with a budget. So for your budget, I recommend start off with $5 a day ads. Start off small, create 3 to 4 of them. The ones that perform the best, cancel the rest and scale on the ad that performs the best. So I'm going to start off with 50 Rand a day, which is plus minus $5. What do you want to focus on? You want to select on clicks over here. So this campaign will use the maximum clicks bid strategy to help you get the most clicks for your budget, meaning it will try rank your page even more to get more clicks. So click on more settings over here. You don't need ad rotation or conversions over here. Just click on next. Now all you want to do is you want to select search network. You want to uncheck that. You only want to advertise on Google. Meaning if you search search network Google that is perhaps associated with Bing or any other search browser, your ads will get listed there, which you don't want because there you could get traffic that you don't want and you'll be wasting your money. For the locations, we are going to go and enter 5 countries. We're not going to go and select all countries. You want to come over to a tool called Google Trends at trends.google.com and just search Builderall on Google Trends, and it will identify where the term Builderall is trending all over the world. So let's go and click on South Africa over here and click on worldwide. Mine's just set to South Africa by default. And over here you can see right now in Rwanda, Panama, Brazil, Algeria, and Ecuador, Builderall is basically performing the most. It's getting the most interest. So what we're going to go and do is we're going to go and create our ad in these specific countries. So let's go and type Rwanda. Click on that country. We're going to type country number 2, which is Panama over here. And the reason why we are doing this is because this tool is obviously being popular or highly searched in those countries. So that traffic is high in demand for this product. So click on Panama over here. And let's just go and enter the last 5. And let's just go and enter Brazil, Algeria, and Ecuador. We can just go and enter all of those and just paste the country names over here. Again, Algeria. So just type in Algeria. Click on the country, and the last one is Ecuador. So just type in Ecuador and click on that over here. So now you've got your 5 countries selected over here where Builderall is trending the most in the world. For your languages, choose Portuguese, Spanish, and French over here. The reason why you want to select these languages, it will auto suggest a language that people speak in these countries, because if people don't speak English but your ad is in English and you're promoting it to them, they're not going to understand your advert. So it's important to select the languages that it gives to you based on the countries that you've selected. Click on next over here, and this is the important part, your keywords. So first of all, you want to type over here in square brackets Builderall bonuses, Builderall free trial. You can just type Builderall sign up. And why we're putting it in square brackets is because we want to rank for that specific keyword. If you look at the match types over here, if you just type a keyword like Builderall, your keyword or your advert will go and rank for all sorts of keywords similar to Builderall. So since Builderall has builder in it, you might go and rank for keywords where people are searching in terms of construction. So that's not really going to work because that traffic's not interested in your product. That's why when I run Google ads, I only use square brackets to target my ads to that specific audience searching for these keywords. We can type in free funnel builder. We can type here ClickFunnels alternative. We can type here Kartra alternative. And these are all keywords, like I said, that we want to go and rank for. You just need about 8 to 10 of them like this. Once you've got a couple of keywords going, you want to scroll down, and over here we can go and create our ad. And over here, I've just typed the following. Claim here $2,000 free bonus, Builderall free trial. Start the challenge right now for free when you sign up to Builderall, the Your First Commission 5-day challenge. So over here, this is information I just got off these headings over here, which I kind of put into my own advert. And this is what it looks like. So when people go and search those keywords over here, your ad will pop up at the top. And remember, people are going to land on this landing page over here, or the one that we've edited over here, where they enter their name and email to claim these free bonuses, and that's where you save their emails. So even if they click on sign me up now over here, and they're not interested in your product or don't want Builderall, you have them saved to an email list where you can re-promote them with promotional content down the line to get them back to your affiliate link. And once you're ready, you can review your campaign over here. So your objective, your budget, your bidding, your networks, locations, languages, audiences, your keywords, and then your ad. And once you're ready, you can go and click on publish campaign over here. Now what I'm going to do is, if you want to get this free Google Ads course, all I would appreciate is leave a like on this video, comment down below that you're ready, subscribe with the red notification bell on it, and I will pin the link to that Google course on the pinned comment down below. So make sure to go and do those 3 things and click on the pinned comment down below. I'll also leave a playlist over here for more Google Ads content on my channel, of my best performing Google Ads that I've run in the past. So make sure to click on this playlist over here and take this course down here. It will help you out with mastering Google Ads. I'll see you over there.